In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA IDE in Windows. So first I'll be showing you how to download Java and then the IDE, and we will be seeing how to run our first Java program. So first thing, just Google Java download. We'll be having this link from Oracle. Select this, and here we are having the Java JDK. At this moment the version is 25. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having the download links for different operating system. Just click on Windows and just select this download link for the 64-bit installer. So the download will be getting started. It is around 183 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Java setup. Select next, and this is going to be the default location where Java will be getting installed in local disk C program files. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the local disk of your choice. I will just go here and create a new folder named Java and just select that new folder and click on OK. That's it. Now select next. This will take some time to install, so just be patient. So now we need to add the Java path to environment variables. For this, just go to the location where you had Java installed. In default, it's going to be C program files. Since I changed this to local disk D, I will go here and I'm having here the Java folder. After this, you need to go inside bin. So in the default case, it will be C program files, Java and bin. So just copy this path with the bin folder and go to search and type environment. We'll be getting this edit the system environment variables. Open it. Here select environment variables, and under user variables or system variables, whichever is enabled for you, click on the path and click on edit. Go to new, paste it, alright, and click OK everywhere. Now if you go to search and open the command prompt, and if I just run the command java space --version, as you can see, I'm getting the latest JDK version 25, the one that we installed. Now that we have installed Java, let's go and install IntelliJ IDEA. Just Google it and we'll be getting the official link from jetbrains.com. Here we'll be having the download option. Select this, and here we are having for different operating system. By default it will be in Windows, and here you can see IntelliJ IDEA is now a single unified product, because previously we were having the community version as well as the paid version. Now it's totally a single standalone product, and you can choose either if you want to use the free one or the paid one. Just click on this download and the download will be getting started. It is around 1 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. So we will be getting the IntelliJ IDEA setup. Select next, and this is going to be the default location where IntelliJ IDEA will be installed. C program files. If you have very less space in local disk C, change it to local disk D or E. So click on browse. I will just go here, local disk D. I'll just click on make new folder and have it as IntelliJ. Select OK. So as you can see, the location has been changed. Next, and make sure that you are checking all of these, okay, and select next. Fine, click on install. We will be getting an option to import settings. If you want to, you can do that. I will just click on skip import. And if you already have some existing project, you can, or else you can clone it directly from GitHub. So let's create a new project. So I'll click here. So here you can select the language of the project, whether it's Java, Kotlin. Okay, so I'll just go with Java. I'll just go with demo, and this is going to be the default location. So if you click it, so it's going to be this particular path, okay, inside IDEA projects. If you want to change it, you can. And next is the build system, IntelliJ, Maven or Gradle. You can change that. If you want a Git repository, you can change that too. And these are fine. If you want, you can change it. I will go with add sample code, and the Java JDK is automatically configured. If you can even like download a different version of JDK also in case if you have it. These are fine for me. I will just click on create. So we can simply close this, and this is a sample code that gets automatically added. So to run this, we can just click on this run button. So as you can see, hello and welcome, this particular text and the numbers are getting printed. So we're having the source and main.java. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.